$4, man. Who got gas for $4? Another biker? Welcome. This is Riding Insane. We just got Broly back from service. The first 600 miles are done. We still have her on the lowest setting possible. That's gonna change. We're gonna change that. Today we do have music playing because you guys know this helmet does have music. It has everything connected, Bluetooth and all that stuff. Okay, this is my whole helmet. I hold around in this helmet. I'm really nervous, I'm not gonna lie, alright? Body's a little shivering, booty's kind of clapping because it's shivering once again. But we're gonna do our best to take it slow and not just go balls to the walls, because these Dragon Balls are meant to do that just yet, alright? So we're gonna go here, reset our trip so we know exactly how many miles you're putting down on this hoe. Funny thing is that when I got the bike back, it was at 6:32. So that meant, like, when I gave the bike for service, they barely rode it a mile. So I like that. I don't like other people riding my bikes anyways, but like for servicing, you kind of have to. So you gotta get used to this bike's clutch and stuff. Touch your toes. I don't know where to go though. We got a little John in my ears. Now we got Gucci in my ears. Alright, so we're gonna first take it nice and easy. Alright, we're not gonna clown on it just yet. But then once we see an open road like that, how can I not? Truck something, baby. Truck something, baby. Move your booty in the hole. Blah, 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 blah. So I haven't ridden Broly in about 2 weeks, I wanna say. So we're gonna get a little used to it again. Cause you guys know that we got 3 hoes in the club. And they're all different. Alright. They're all different, so you got to get used to each one of them because they have their own styles. They're all different. They all like to be loved in a different way. So we got to get used to that just a little bit. And once I get used to it, then we'll start telling Broly to, you know, kick it up. Let's see what happens after the 600 mile service. How much can we clown? And this helmet is tighter than my other helmets, so like I'm biting my cheeks every time I talk, which I like because I'm cheeky. We got Trap House. Now we got Waka with no hands. I can't believe there's nobody playing here today. It's a beautiful Saturday. She looks so sad in her life. I just feel bad. If only she looks to the left, her right, then she'll see what life really means. I want to give her a hug, man. Look at her. She's just sad all about life. She needs a bad boy in her life. That's what she needs. A bad boy. And we ain't talking about Diddy. F that. She needs a little sane. She needs a little bit of Riding Insane. Get it? Get it? Oh, that was so dirty. I shouldn't say stuff like that. Respect women. All right, respect women. There's a lot of things that I can say you guys can. First of all, mixed breed. All right. So there's a lot of things that I can say you guys can. But also, my love for women is so much that I kind of get a free pass on saying a lot of things. Dirty things. And she cruises in first, easily. As soon as I kick a neutral, watch. Neutral. It's gonna open. Alright, I'll edit it so it opens, alright? Save me some face. What is the light broken or what, man? There's nobody even on the left and right. The light knows it's the first ride on the 600. After the 600 mile service, that's why he's effing with us. Wait for it, let her warm up too, alright? The ride has just begun. Let these tires warm up. I'm missing the shadow. I love the way your booty goes. All I wanna do is sit back and watch you move, and I proceed to go to bed. Alright, let's hit that lean. The shoulder lean. Doing that. I felt like a badass doing it. I felt like a bad bitch doing it. I promised that we'd go here. I promise. I gotta deliver now. Tonight I wanna play and play. I'm gonna ride on them things like every day. Street gangsters roaming. Pockets don't stop till 8 in the morning. I'm gonna play and play. I'm gonna ride on them Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. You can catch me up in one Tweezy Sunday. We'll be at it again. I don't know. What the hell was that, girl? Old ass. Welcome to Atlanta where the players play. And we ride on them things like every day. Big beats hit streets, see gangsters roaming. Parties don't stop till 8 in the morning. Bro, you're so damn loud, I can't hear the music playing in my ears. So if I miss a beat, it's alright. We got money to blow. Wayne, Birdman, and Drake with a rake, cause you finna bake. Alright, I can hear it now. Down girl, down girl. One more girl. We ain't gonna cut you. Ooh, super thumbnail, man. Like, it's nice, but like, I don't know. Something about it doesn't scream, like, you know, let's make love. I don't get that feeling. Damn, where my roots just go. I'm somebody that you should know. Top slipped off like Janet at the Super Bowl. Top slipped off like Janet at the Super Bowl, man. I understand that it happened, but she's not very hot to begin with. So, like, why would you want to see that? You know what I mean? You can't be that desperate that any nip slip and you're going ham on it. Bump. Why so many riders on that side? Oh, I know that guy. Pretty sure I know that guy. I'm higher than I ever been. Born rich, born uptown, born to win. That's that lyric, that line that's stuck in my head that I always rap. I always thought it was from Uptown, but I didn't know it was from Money to Blow. Burn it up, I can't blame. One thing we gotta watch out for, these don't fold inside. If it's too tight and I bring it through, they'll break off. Which we're gonna get it removed anyways, but I'm not gonna break anything off of here. So we gotta be careful about that. Don't split any lane that's too tight. I just love running her in first. She's so calm. Like, not calm, but tame. Like, even though it's raw, it's tamed. Such a nice feeling. We see one thing when we ride. Ooh, Aston Martin. Colored. Oh yeah, empty it up. That was a close one. So we're not out here to start making love to anything. We're not. We're out here to test her out. One thing I loved about Nimbus was when I had her and we did the 600-mile service, that I actually went to the shop and got it done. And then when I came back, I actually rode it right then and there, and I went through the highways and all that sorts of stuff to get to, you know, wherever I wanted to go. So it was kind of cool. I like that. But this time we had it picked up and delivered to us. So a little different. Still the same, because I'm still riding her and nobody else. Remember, if someone's looking at you, nod at them, man. Acknowledge them, that you acknowledge them looking at you. That wasn't me twerking, that was me getting comfortable. Man, she is so calm all of a sudden. Like, I like, not in a bad way, like it's raw power, but so calm. This is amazing. So when they do the 600-mile service, they like change the oil filter, things like that. They didn't bleed the brakes, so they said it was fine, but I'm gonna bleed them maybe later because I don't like the way they are right now. We'll go from here. These feel so different. And then they like go into the ECU or whatever. They don't flash it, but they change things to make sure everything's good and like update any new software updates, things like that. And I feel like I don't feel like, I want to believe that it actually makes a difference. You know, maybe it does, maybe it doesn't, but I want to believe it does. All right, it makes me feel better knowing that the bike came back to me after the 600-mile service, after they, you know, put it in my buffer for $100, that it comes back better in some way. Also, I made sure to double check with the dude who was working on the bike that, hey ho, can I like start ripping on it or not? And he was like, yeah man, drop the pants and go for it. And I was like, alright, that's cool, that's cool.